You're asking yourself, is it even possible for CapCut features for Pro to be really free? So if you're still watching this video, that means that this is the right video for you. Let me tell you, by the end of this video, we are going to be able to know that, is it really possible for someone to download a video having used Pro features? Pro features, if you don't know the Pro features, they are those features that belong to Pro, meaning that you have to pay for those features to be in your videos. If at all you use them, they will not allow you to download that video. I think you know how that works. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can use the Pro features in your videos. Each one of them, you use them. After using them, you download your video and the quality is good and everything is good. So without wasting our time, let us get into the video.
I welcome you once again. So what we do, we just go to CapCut, the app that you have in your phone. Then after you click on the new project, then you get the video that you want to edit. I will choose that one, then I add. This is what we are going to do. We are going to do this step by step together until the end. So when I come to the Pro features, as you can see, the first one is Pro, the second and the third. So I'm going to use them anyway. So let me put the first one. I use them for my videos. If I want a second one, I can also use it. If I want the third one, I can also use it. So you just use any of the Pro features that you really want to put into your videos. So I also use many of them. I use all of them that you want. After doing all this, let's say that you have finished using them. I'm not going to use too much because my internet is not all that good. It is not really fast. So when you come like this, you just see where they show you Pro, meaning that to get access to these features, you have to pay for them. So for me, I will use them. I will use any of them. After using all of them that you want to use in your video, you just use any that you really want to use. After using them, you come on the export button in the corner on the right hand. You click on export. They will tell you that you are using the following Pro features. You have to unlock them by upgrading, or you have to pay for them. Know that for us, we don't want to pay anything to them, meaning that we cannot download this video. What we are going to do is that you just say, okay, I don't want to take anything of you and I'm not going to pay for you. Then you come on this sign. You have your video like this. You see how I have my video? So meaning that if I come here, remember my screen recorder is on. You see, it is counting. You see, it is counting. So if at all you don't have a screen recorder, I will show you. I have an app, this app in my phone, this one. It is the screen recorder that I'm using right now. So when you come, you click and you start recording your screen. By this time, mine is already opened, screen recorder. If you don't have screen recorder, you can go to Play Store and you can type in screen recorder. You will get one of them. But some people have their phones, they can record, but mine, my Samsung, cannot record. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to play this video.
CapCut Pro for free.
And it's going to start playing.
You're asking yourself, is it
remember,
even
it is
possible
recording
for
now.
CapCut features for Pro to be really free? So
after finishing all the video, after finishing all the video playing it, that means that the screen recorder has recorded the entire video for you and it has saved it gallery. So what you do is that you exit CapCut. You go back to CapCut, you get that same video.
Common mistakes we tend to do.
You get that same video that you recorded. You put it back into CapCut. You say add. Remember, this time we want to reduce video. We have to come and we say crop. We crop that video that we have. You have to crop it. You have to crop it so that you get the real size of the video. Remember, if it is for YouTube, you just need to come down here and you say 16 by 9. That is the size for YouTube. So you do like this. Then after you click OK, this time around, my friends, you can download that video in the same app of CapCut. So this time I'm exporting the video. If you didn't have CapCut, you can download it into your phone. Then another thing I can say is that after downloading a video, you can be able to use it. So if you didn't get any part, I was so speedy, you can still tell me and I will explain again. But that's it.